Hey, this is Elon from Egard, and I wanted to share a new piece in our collection called the Dali, inspired by Salvador Dali's melting clock, and you'll see why it's this incredibly unique shape that we do for the case, which is our signature case shape. There's 5 of these color-wise. Here I have 2 of them. I'm going to showcase the rose gold with the black dial. So let's just get that out of the way. Now, like I said, you get this beautiful case shape right here, which is something you just don't see on any other watch. And with that, you get an amazing sapphire crystal. Sapphire crystals are very desirable because they're very, very scratch resistant. And the more unconventional the shape, the harder they are to make without imperfections. And we've really, really specialized in making these unique sapphire crystals over the years. So on this watch, you're getting that beautiful, unique shaped sapphire crystal with that beautiful, unique case shape, which is very thin also. The other feature I love about this watch is that it has an automatic movement, and you can see that with the sweeping second hand right there. And we put an exhibition case back so you can see the movement in the watch. There it is. And I'll show you how it looks on the wrist. So here it is on the wrist. As you can see, it's real nice. It looks great as a dress watch. It looks great as a daily wear. It doesn't take up too much real estate on my wrist. It feels really, really comfortable. There's 5 colors of them. If you want to see them, you got to go to the website and check them out. Thanks so much.